Hello everyone, this is Arvind Makadaru and welcome to my channel. In the last video we have seen about the sensitivity and Thixotropy. If you haven't seen it, I will leave it in the cards, you can see it over there, right? So in this video let us see about the activity first. So what is meant by activity and who has defined the activity? Let us see. Sir Skempton, he is an UK scientist who has worked with the Sir Terzaghi, who is the father of geotechnical engineering. He has worked with him and contributed a lot in geotechnical engineering. So in these contributions, one of the definition he has given is about the activity. So the volumetric change in the soil depending upon the various conditions such as the mineral content present in the soil, apart from that the amount of minerals present in the soil and the water content. So based upon these things, he has defined the volumetric change and estimated in terms of activity. The activity is represented with AC. So AC is equal to a ratio of plastic index to the percent of clay content, which is less than 2 microns. So let us see about the various type of minerals present in the soil and the content of AC. So based upon that we can define it.
So if you see the formula, AC is equal to plastic index to the percent of clay, which is less than 2 microns. Activity, if we calculated the value of activity, if we get 0.75, which is less than 0.75, then it is said to be inactive material, okay, which doesn't show the swelling. I will explain you later. Okay, if the value of activity is lies between 0.75 to 1.25, then it is medium active material. If the value of activity is greater than 1.25, then it is said to be highly active material. Whereas coming to the activity in high active or low active or medium active, we can see in the graph, okay, represented here. If we consider the plastic index to the percent of clay graph, if the material lies here, which is less than 0.75, okay, it is an inactive material. If it lies between this is 0.75 line, okay, this is 1.25 line, okay, activity line, okay. If it lies below the 0.75 line, okay, this material is inactive. Whereas coming to the 0.75, it lies here, okay. So based upon these things, we have three different types of materials, okay. So we have three different type of materials. First one is kaolinite, the second one is illite, the third one is mount morollinite, okay. So kaolinite is an low active mineral, I can say, okay. Whereas coming to the illite, it is the medium active, okay. Whereas coming to the monazite, it is an high active. So these are different types of minerals, okay, present in the soil. Based upon the quality of the kaolinite or illite or mount monazite, the composition of a soil is altered, okay. So if the soil is having mount monazite, it shows the high swelling nature. The volumetric change would be high for mount monazite. Whereas coming to the kaolite, the volumetric change will be very low. So it doesn't show any type of swelling, the volumetric change in kaolinite. This is because of the structure in the. So if you understand everything and if you like this video, please like and subscribe and wait for the next video. Thank you guys.